Hi, and welcome to Accessibility at Iowa. I'm T.M. Weissenberger, IT Accessibility Coordinator at the University of Iowa, and in this session we are going to look at the role of headings in digital documents, and especially how they improve navigability and readability for all of your readers. Let's get started. So here I've opened up an unformatted Microsoft Word document. Not a whole lot of structure here, maybe a couple of bulleted lists. I think there are a couple of tables here at the bottom, but for the most part, this is just raw text. It's all normal text. None of it has been formatted or stylized. There's certainly no outline or document heading structure. We're going to add that structure now and make this document a little bit more navigable for some of our users. In Word, I usually start by going to the View tab and opening up the navigation pane. I'm using Word for Windows. That opens up the navigation pane over here on my left, which tells me to create an interactive outline of my document, and that's exactly why I'm here. So that's good. Now I'm going to go to the Home menu for the other tool that I need to bring up, which is over here in the Styles group, and that's where the magic happens with our Heading 1, Heading 2, and other semantic elements. So I'm just going to jump right in to create an outline for this document. My choice for this outline is to start with Heading 1 for the title of the document, Heading 2 for each of the primary topic or heading sections, and Headings 3 and beyond for subtopics that round out that outline. So I'm going to place my cursor here in Yellowstone National Park, my title, and I'm choosing to use a first level heading to start that outline process, and that's immediately reflected in my navigation pane. I can move the cursor down to About Yellowstone. That's my first subheading or my first major section topic. I create a second level heading with that. That's also reflected now as a subheading in my navigation pane. I can also use Control-Alt and the heading level number I want to set those. So I just use Control-Alt-2 to add a second level heading to geology. I can use Control-Alt-3 to add third level headings under that. I'm going to finish this document and we'll come back and discuss it in just a moment. Now that I've added all my headings to the document, we can return to the navigation pane where all of those headings are now organized in a nice, robust, interactive outline format. I can select any heading and move directly to that position in my document. We also have an opportunity for another feature now, and because of our robust heading structure, we're able to insert a table of contents into this document. And I can do that from the References tab. The Table of Contents option is over in the Table of Contents group, and I roll down to select from a number of options there. I'm going to select the Custom Table of Contents just to open that up, and I'll look at the Options button here just to share that our heading levels are built right into the Table of Contents options. Just by clicking OK, I now have a table of contents that reflects the heading structure. It's built into my document, and it is also clickable. So finally, we're going to review the document using NVDA. NVDA stands for Non-Visual Desktop Access. It's a popular screen reader and allows users to browse documents based on their interactive outline. I'm going to open up NVDA and we'll begin browsing this document and see how that works.
Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA. Heading Level 1, Yellowstone National Park. Page 2 Section 1 About Yellowstone Heading Level 2. Page 3 Geology Heading Level 2. Volcanoes Heading Level 3. Heading Level 3 Volcanoes. The volcanism of Yellowstone is believed to be linked to the somewhat older volcanism of Snake River Plain. Yellowstone is thus the active part of a hotspot that has moved northeast over time. Page 4 Geysers and Hydrothermal Activity Heading Level 2. Page 3 Geology Heading Level 2. Page 2 About Yellowstone Heading Level 2. Page 1, Yellowstone National Park Heading Level 1.
So in that case, we saw a much more accessible outcome with the screen reader user able to browse through the document heading by heading until they found the information they were seeking. In this session, we've seen three benefits of adding headings to our documents. We've created a basic outline structure in our navigation pane. We've provided an interactive table of contents in our Word document and created a robust outline structure that users of assistive technologies can use to effectively browse through the document by heading. So there you have it. For a lot of documents, including that interactive outline with document headings and styles is just part of designing your document with accessibility in mind. Hey, thanks again for your time today. Once again, this is T.M. Weissenberger at the University of Iowa. I hope you'll join us for more sections in our series Accessibility at Iowa. And hey, come see us at our website, itaccessibility.uiowa.edu. Thanks again.